Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. In today's video, we're going to plant 9 different varieties of daylilies that I got from Gilbert H. Wild & Son, and I'll show each variety and a picture of each daylily that I bought and that we're going to plant today. And this is what they look like. They came bare root, and they each have a tag here. So I'm going to try to leave this tag on so I'll know what variety which is after they grow in the springtime. But fall is a great time to plant anything bare root. When this comes up next spring, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous, and I'm so excited to share with you each variety of these daylilies in my cottage garden. So let's get to planting. The ruffled rising star daylily. On a certain variety. This is the purple Dior daylily. And I guess I got one BOGO free also with that one. This one is the pearled dove daylily. This one is the Angel's Touch daylily. This one is the Blaze Spirit Blaze daylily. This one is Apricot Serenade. Apricot Serenity. Apricot. So just to let you know how I planted these, this is not the root. This is going to be the stem, but they've already cut the stem before shipping them. So this is where the new stem's going to come. So this necessarily does not have to be under the ground, but you can tell right at where the base, where the roots start, that's where I planted them. So I planted them probably 3 inches deep, enough for the roots to have enough room. And then I also put the biotone and some of the compost in there and mixed it up a little bit, so they'll have just a great chance of making it next year.